how to host WordPress on DigitalOcean. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there are two ways to do it. The first one is that you open up Cloudways, then start it for free, and after that when you get into your account, you simply click on the option of manage applications, and over there you can select WordPress, then select DigitalOcean, and according to the requirements of yours, the network requirements, the server requirements, the RAM, and all sort of requirements of yours, you would be charged the amount, and after making the payment you would be able to host the WordPress quite easily. Now how do we do it on DigitalOcean? For that, just simply sign up or log into your account. After that, you would be able to find this create option at your screen. Just simply click on it, then select the option of droplets. After that, you need to scroll down, and there you would be able to find the option of marketplace. It is right below the option of choose an image. You would be able to find the option of marketplace. Simply select it, then search for WordPress over there and select it. And after that, you need to select the droplet type, then select the CPU options according to your needs and requirements, but it is recommended that you choose at least 4 GB of RAM for your server. And after that, you need to create your password. Then after finalizing all the details, you would be able to host the WordPress on DigitalOcean, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.